Friends, you have to solve the solved example of textbook page number 3. This is the solved example. The example is example number 3. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Then in the same manner, whatever we solved the previous example, in the same manner you have to give the numbering. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. But in this example, what is the problem that you have to see? The 15x, 17y and 17x and 15y means the coefficients of both the equations are interchanged. The coefficient of this x is the coefficient of y of this equation, and coefficient of y is the coefficient of x in this equation. Means in this example, the coefficients of both the equations are interchanged. This is the 15x 17y and 17x 15y. If this type of example is there, that time you have to frame the new equations, that you have to try to understand. If the equations are like this, 15x 17y 17x 15y, that time what you have to do? You have to first of all you have to add this equation 1 in equation 2 first, and you have to subtract this equation 2 from equation 1. Means equation 1 plus equation 2 and equation 1 minus equation 2. Means once you have to do the addition, once you have to do the subtraction. Whatever be the new equations are formed, that are the reduced form of the simultaneous equation. So what you have to do? This 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. You have to add, in first condition you have to add, in another condition you have to subtract. 15x plus 17y is equal to 21, 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Then after 15 and 17 we will add, at that time this will come 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. And here if you will subtract, at that time you have to change the sign of the middle term. How you have to change the signs, that you have to see. Then here I will change the sign like this. This plus becomes, this plus 17x becomes minus 17x. This plus 15y becomes minus 15y, and this plus 11 become minus 11. Then you have to use the addition rule, and 15x plus 17x plus minus 17x. 15x minus 17x is equal to minus 2x, and 17y minus 15y is equal to plus 2y, and 21 minus 11 is equal to 10. Then here you have to use the addition rule. If one number is positive, another one is negative, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. Here magnitude of 17 is greater, so this 17 is minus, and this magnitude of this 17 is greater and this 17 is plus, so you have to give the minus and plus sign. Here this 32x, 32y is equal to 32, minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here you have to reduce, you have to cancel this 32 term. Then what you have to do, you have to write, and here also you have to cancel this term of the 2. So what you have to do, you have to divide both sides by 32, because here is also 32, here is also 32, here is also 32. After dividing both sides by 2, you have to cancel this 32 like this, and you will get the new equation 1x plus 1y is equal to 1. And here after dividing both sides by 2, at that time to minus 2x upon 2, 2y upon 2, 10 upon 2, new equation we will get minus 1x plus 1y is equal to 5. Means from the given equation, if the coefficients are interchanged, that time once you have to do the addition, once you have to do the subtraction, and reduce form of the new equations you have to frame. And after that you have to solve this new equation by elimination, otherwise the substitution. So again I will write this equation 3 here and equation 4 here. If you will observe the coefficient by elimination method, you have to equate the coefficient of the terms. I will already, if you will observe the example, that time the coefficients of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 1. Already the coefficients are equal, so you have no need to equalize the coefficients. Then here if this one is plus, this one is minus, opposite sign you have to do the addition. This equation 3 plus equation 4 you have to do, and you have to add the equation. This is equation 3, this is equation 4, and what you have to do, you have to do the addition. You have to do the addition. In addition operation, what you have to do? This plus 1x minus 1x, both the like terms having the opposite signs, so you have to cancel these terms. 1y plus 1y is equal to 2y, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, y is equal to, you have to transpose this 2 and y multiplication side, transpose this to that side, 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, y is equal to 3 will come. You have to put this value of y is equal to 3 in equation 3, otherwise equation 4. I put this value of y is equal to 3 in equation 3. Then x plus y is equal to 1 is the equation 3. Put y is equal to 3. X plus 3 is equal to 1. Transpose plus 3 that side. When plus 3 will go that side, that time plus 3 becomes minus 3. And 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Again you have to use the rule that if one number is positive, another one is negative, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. Answer will come minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2 are the solutions of the given equation. Y is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2 are the solutions of the given equation. In this way, you have to solve this type of example. This is the different example. In exam, this type of example, if they will ask, that time in the same manner you have to solve this example. Everybody understand? So write this example.